Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO Legion Tab Generation 3, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your face unlock feature doesn't recognize your face correctly. In such case, you'll have to set up a new face model on your device. To do that, go to Settings, then select Biometrics and Security, Biometrics and Passwords, and then tap facial recognition, enter your password, and if you have previously added face data, delete it, and then add a new face model. And before we do that, let's wipe the camera of the tablet with a dry towel to make sure we can clearly see our face in the camera, and also make sure that the lights in your room also allow you to do that. So when you're ready, enter your password once again, click Add, and proceed by adding a new face model to your device. And when you're done, click Done. And before we proceed, let's also check About Tablet section of the settings. Select System Update and check if your device has any updates. And if it does, then take your time and let your tablet restart, let your tablet install all the updates and restart in order for all the features to be up to date. And before we proceed, let's reboot the tablet by pressing the power button and volume up at the same time, and selecting Reboot. And right now let's wait for the tablet to restart before we proceed. And once the tablet is restarted, let's check the facial recognition feature once again. So let's select the tablet and look directly into the camera. And as you can see, it has already unlocked, so everything went smoothly, and I hope it did for you too. So if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.